The world is in need of higher vibration, of evolution, and each of us need to do our part. So to work on our own issues, to work on our own energy is important, very important, not only for ourselves, for our families, but also for the world. And nowadays we are living in a sick world. We are living in a world that needs help. So the more you're able to cleanse and transmute energy that doesn't belong to you and that belong to you, the more you'll be at service of the world. So if you are, for example, feeling very tired with no energy, many times in a bad mood, if you don't know why you're alive and why you should be standing up every day, it means that you're carrying a lot of dense energy. You're also carrying a lot of information that you still haven't understood and haven't processed. So what the rose meditation will do is that it will open up these energies so that you have clarity, so that you can work on your issues. It will cleanse whatever is not yours so that you'll have more energy to deal with what's yours, and it will bring clarity about these issues, about the puzzle of your life. The rose meditation is a very, very beautiful technique that will help you deal with your energy and other people's energy, especially if you are a person who is always dealing with many other people and many other energies. So I invite you to join me and Kristina on the 22nd and 23rd of May online. Thank you, and I'll see you there.